teeth are sharp like a great white shark. Let me taste that flesh, is my favorite part. Got an eagle beak with the ostrich feet.
What's up, everyone? Elliot Straight Recap. Today we're back with another recap. We're doing a weekly recap since I haven't uploaded a video since so long. It's been probably felt like a year without uploading a video. But today we're back at it. Hair's growing, but it's still a little bit fucked up. But yeah, trade recap. This week was it wasn't a good week. It was just a chill week. I think either way we ended up in profit. Let me drink. But yeah, pretty decent week. We had like 2 days where only break even. This week's price action wasn't pretty good, to be honest. But either way, a good trader doesn't depend on the market conditions. It depends on himself. So let's go on the top set account and see how much did we make this week. These are the stats for right now. We started horrible. We were down to minus $1,394. We were 2 trades away from blowing the account, but then boom, big day. We won $1,100 in a day. So it bring us back to life. Then boom, another small loss. Boom, big win, another big win that put us in profit. And for right now, as you can see, we've been a little bit break even. Last day was a winner. Average winning trade, a win rate, it got messed up since I started this account the last 2 weeks of August, and it was horrible price action. So I'm not mad, but risk management saved my life. We already have 4 winning days. I don't know why it doesn't. It says 0, but I don't know why. Maybe if I reload. Oh yeah, as you can see, we got 4. Only 1 more, and then we can request a payout. But we don't even have money to request a payout. So we're just gonna wait till we hit the 3K amount, so we can request our $1,000 payout. So let's get on the chart. Boom, right here. We are break even on the week, as you can see, minus $15. But yeah, wasn't a good week. It was just 1 win, 1 loss, 2 break evens. Yeah, Monday was a pretty nice day, but I couldn't take it because my teacher took my phone away when I was gonna enter a trade. It was crazy. Like, I was about to enter the trade, and boom, teacher comes to me and says, "Give me your phone." And I was like, I had to give it to him. To her. But yeah, so as you can see here on the Discord, I said that trade of the day. Couldn't take it because teacher took my phone, made analysis, but this was the trade. Beautiful trade. Everyone took it. It was like $600 and $600 play, but it's fine. It's fine. You win. You take some, you lose some, but this coffee is way too good. That's basically it. Win rate this month has been 3 wins, 3 losses, 50% win rate. It's fine with me. We're up $1,100 in this month. Last month really messed us up, but risk management only took $300 losses. I love myself for that. But yeah, nothing much to say, guys. I only have clips of me taking the trades since I've been training from school, so I only have phone recordings, and if you want to see them, if you want to see these videos right when I upload them, I post them on my TikTok and on my Instagram that are gonna be in the screen, and they're also on my bio. But yeah, as you can see on my TikTok right here, boom, I have this uploaded daily. As soon as I take a trade, I edit it and posting on my TikTok and on my Instagram too. I have a Twitter account too, but I don't really use it. I'm gonna start using it. But yeah, let's hope week 3 and week 4 of this month are better than this one, because this one I didn't really like it. But yeah, nothing much to say. Let's go straight to the trade the trade recap. Right here is Monday, and bullish for Monday. I mean bearish. No, I mean bias for Monday was bullish, since we had this beautiful low inside this 15-minute fair value gap right here, and I mean my bad, right here, and at least we're gonna fill this fair value gap right here, and we inverse this fair value gap. So I already knew we were gonna go a little bit higher. So my bias for today was bullish. So as you already know, I like to go to the 1 hour and see what PDO rates do we have. And we have this 1 hour order block right here, and what else do we have? This 1 hour, I mean this the 15-minute fair value I already said. We had this 1 hour fair value gap too that I don't think we came back to. But yeah, then we go to a smaller time frame, and we're gonna play the market. 5 minute, boom, market open, we go straight up. We go down to this order block, and then to the C of this order block, then we go up. Next thing, boom, wick up high, we hit this CISD, boom, and we go down. So we're not taking nothing yet, so no trades from me yet. So yeah, you just keep playing, we keep going higher and higher. On the 15-minute, we make this fair value gap right here, and we have the this fair value gaps already made. So and the 50% of this range is on the 15, is on the fair value gap too, my bad. So yeah, we're just gonna keep playing the market. Boom, 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 boom. We just gonna keep playing the market. Patience is key. Boom, we hit this 15-minute fair value gap and the equilibrium of this range. And on the 2-minute, we had, yeah, this was the play. We had this beautiful inverse right away. So you know we're gonna take those 100% of the time. Yeah, I'm just gonna play with the mini. So we're gonna hit the buy. Stop loss was right here, I think it was. Let me see. No, stop loss was down here on the body of the candle that inversed, and the TP was right here on the New York AM. It was a beautiful 1 to 4 RR or 1 to 3 RR. Let me see. Boom, boom, boom. 1 to 3.5 RR. So let's just confirm, and we're gonna play the market, and boom, it went straight up to take profit. So it was a beautiful trade, but as I said, I didn't take it because the teacher took my phone mid analysis. So yeah, bad luck. It's all right. So let's go straight to Tuesday. Let's go straight to Tuesday. Fuck my So yeah, on Tuesday, what was the bias on Tuesday? Let me check my trading. Tuesday, it was a 30-second inverse that ended up being break even. It was a bullish. So yeah, the bias was still bullish. We had this, as you can see. I don't really like to use daily to do my bias because I used to use it, but it confused me a little bit. It was just too much information. So with the 4 hour and the 1 hour, I think I'm fine with that. So I just do the 4 hour and the 1 hour. So on the 4 hour we're bullish, and we have this fair value gap right here that it's very probable that we hit. So, and we have this trend line liquidity right here. So it can be it's pretty probable that we're gonna sweep all of this and then go down to the fair value gap. So yeah, on the 1 hour, what do we have? Let me go to the fair value gap. Yeah, on the 1 hour, what do we have? This order block 2. That 1 hour order blocks are beautiful, and 1 hour CSDs are beautiful too. So yeah, we're most likely gonna go down. We also inverse this 1 hour fair value gap, and we don't have a fair value gap below that. So yeah, it's pretty obvious that we're gonna go down. So let's go on the 15-minute and play the market, see what happens. So market open, what happens? We'll stay in this range. So we're starting to come down, maybe to this 15-minute fair value gap too. I don't really remember these days, so I'm just gonna like retrade it with y'all. So yeah, 10, boom, we hit this 15-minute fair value gap, and on the lower time frame we don't really have an inverse. Let me go like this. So on the lower time frame we don't really have an inverse we can play. So what do we do in these occasions? I like the 30-second for these type of occasions. No way, I don't have it. Fuck. So yeah, this is the same. We're on the same page. We go down, we hit this 15-minute fair value gap, and on the 30-second, when you don't have an inverse on the 1 minute, on the 2 minute, on the 3 minute, on the 5 minute, and you are pretty sure on the reaction and on their bias, I like to go on the 30-second. 15-second is just a little bit too small, like lower time frame, so I use maximum 30 seconds. And on the 30-second we have this fair value gap. Is it beautiful? No. Is it like a B shape? No. Is it a trick? No. It wasn't beautiful, but I knew that if we had a play, this one was gonna be it. So you already know I got in right here. Break even was, where was my break even? Yeah, break even was on this high right here, and we got so much up in profit. My stop loss should have been right here, but since it was a 30-second, I put it down here. So my stop loss was a little bit big, and the 1 RR was on the full talk on the full take profit. But yeah, I could have just, if my stop loss was right here, maybe my take profit would have been right here. Since it was a pretty choppy day, so I would have been fine with that 1 RR. But since I put my my stop loss right here, break even right here, and it ended up being break even, and I didn't take another trade that day. So yeah, that was it for Monday, Tuesday. Let's go to Wednesday. And are we right? Yeah, right. Yeah. So break even. Let's go Tuesday. And Tuesday I made a mistake, and you're gonna see why in a second. So I'm back. I don't remember what I was gonna do. So let's go. On the 1 hour, we have the CISD that ended up getting disrespected, and we still have this fair value gap. Oh my bad. We still have this fair value gap. So I mean, the bias for today is bearish. To be honest, we're so close to all-time highs, but we have all these. I mean, I was pretty neutral, to be honest. We had all these low resistance liquidity, and we had all-time highs pretty close. So, but I mean, I was pretty neutral. So if you go on the 50-minute, what do we have? Nothing much. Maybe this reaction block right here. So yeah, we're just gonna keep playing. Boom, market open. We just dump, big dump right here. Yeah, we form this 15-minute fair value gap right here. What did I take right here? I don't remember. I'm back. It's been like an hour since I recorded the last thing about this video. I just did some things in my house. But yeah, we're back on Wednesday, bro. So I don't even
The market
know.
is open.
Oh, market just opened, bro. Should we buy or sell? Bro, I know there's people already looking at the charts. People be trying to catch every move. That's why they're unprofitable. Like, you should not be trading this at this time for any reason. Oh yeah, I remember this. Since we had data highs, I kind of like didn't follow my rules, since I did not enter on my model. But if you see this, what is this? This is an ICT pipe, like the ICT model is market structure shift right here. After we swept data low, market structure shift, fair value gap, boom, we respect it. I entered around here. This is where I entered. It wasn't a pretty good like trade, but I took it, so I'm gonna be transparent. My stop loss was like right here. Take profit was obviously right here. I don't even remember how much, like, how many contracts did I enter. Can I see that? Size 4. I entered with 4. Damn. 4 contracts. Buy 5, but yeah, take profit was right here, and I went break even way too fast, since this is not even my model. Break even was right here, I think this is where I got break even. But yeah, I got break even right here, since obviously I'm not secure about this trade, since it is not even my model. So I'm break even, and yeah, I get break even. It was a lot of shoppiness, but yeah, I got break even. So yeah, not really good trade, but I mean, this was that high. I really wanted us to take that, but we actually left that on field the whole. I mean, this whole day we didn't take it. We only took that load. So yeah, well, let's go straight to the next day. As you can see, we haven't gotten like a good PA only on Monday, and Monday I couldn't take the trade. But yeah, PA hasn't been good. We have data low right here. I think we have news. And on Tuesday we didn't have good price action since it was before CPI. It was PPI, but we didn't have good price action since it was before CPI. That's something we all like. We all journals that PPI before CPI is not a good news. Like it's probably gonna be choppy, and yeah, the 11 is when we got CPI at 8:30, and right here 8:30, boom, data low. So we just gonna go keep playing at market open. So market opens right here. My bias for today was bullish since we took this high first and we had these data lows, so pretty bearish on the day. If we go on the 1 hour, I mean, as always, boom, 4 hour, nothing, just this rejection block, 50% like respected. 1 hour, nothing much, neither. This fair value gap that got respected, we're pretty bullish actually, but we have nothing else to go on unless we go to all-time highs. So neutral again, but since we had these data lows, I really want us to take this. So yeah, if we go on the 5 minute, what do we have? A lot of liquidity right here. So yeah, we sweep this high, and I think I didn't even think so much about it. I just entered right away. Yeah, I entered like around here. I didn't really enter like all the way down here. Did we have an inverse on the 3 minute? Yeah. On the 2 minute? No. On the 1 minute? I mean, even if we had this 1 minute. I'm gonna take it on the 1 minute since my close on the 5 minute wasn't good. But yeah. So let's go right here. Boom. Basically, this is where I entered. We swept this high. Inverse this fair value gap right here. On the 5 minute was, I mean, better, but yeah, click sell right here. I'm just gonna enter with one. The stop loss was up here, and my take profit was the data low. So TP around right here. Where was my stop loss? My stop loss was actually around here. Yeah, stop loss was right there. Take profit was right there. This I risked 300, so take profit wasn't that big. So yeah, my break even was right in this like 5 minute right here. This was my break even, and it was actually the 1 RR, but I'm gonna talk about this. Since we have this like beautiful like accumulation, manipulation, and this was gonna be the distribution, but I was so confident in this, so I knew like I was like we're gonna go down here because we have data lows and of the accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. But boom, we play this. I was up already. Let me put this on here. I was up already on the 1 RR, but I should have took this because price action was choppy, but I mean it wasn't choppy, so yeah, it's fine, it's completely fine. My my first take profit was right here. As I said, break even was right here. So I should have gone break even right here, but I didn't, and it actually ended up playing against me. As soon as we hit the break even spot, boom, we start reversing and we end up going to my stop loss right here. So we end up going to my stop loss, and yeah, it was, my break even was correct. But yeah, that was basically the trade on Thursday. Pretty nice trade. I'm not mad about the trade. I'm just mad I didn't go break even. Cause my teeth are sharp like the great white shark. Let me eat your flesh. That's my face. 1 hour long video. Jesus Christ. Yeah, that was the trade for Thursday. Let's go straight to Friday. Yeah, Friday. Big day. So, Friday, what do we have? All-time highs pretty close to us. I mean, I'm 100% sure we're gonna take all-time highs when we're like pretty close to them. So, yeah, all-time highs. What else do we have? Nothing more, nothing else. Maybe this order block, but we're not gonna mark them up. We're just gonna keep playing price action. So, yeah, boom. 9, what do? Nothing. We're just gonna keep playing this. Boom, market open. Let's see. We got way too close to all-time highs, and we went down to this 15-minute order block. We respected it. And what else do we have on the 5-minute? I think we had some breaker. This trade was based on a breaker block, but I don't remember. We're just gonna keep playing this. Let's go on the 2-minute. You don't have to trade this. You just have to wait till something like till your point of interest gets hit. Right here, boom. We have this order block right here that gets respected. Oh my bad. I say breaker block. I don't know why, but this wasn't really. I mean, it was. It's an order block. So after this breaker block, order block, we hit the 50% of this range right here. We actually just tap it, and as soon as we tap it, boom, we get this big reaction of the order block and the equilibrium of the range, and we have this beautiful 2-minute inverse right here. I under risked. Why? Because I was on phone and have to get my confidence up. I don't know why I under risked on this trade, because I didn't know we were on this. If I knew we were on the equilibrium of this range, I would 100% risk it 300, but I risked 15%. So yeah, I entered as soon as we inverse this. Boom, I click buy. Stop loss was right here. My take profit was right here. No, my stop loss was actually right here. So yeah, I entered right here. Boom, take profit was right here, and I risked 50%, so my risk was like $144. And beautiful trade. Everyone took this. It was a beautiful A+ setup. Boom, right here. Um, I think another thing that made me not risk $300 on this trade was that we didn't deliver off of a fair value gap. We delivered off a order block, and I don't know, man. Like I was just scared, to be honest. Like I have to recognize it. I was scared on this trade because I don't know, man. I was just scared, and I'm gonna work on that for the next week. I'm not gonna be scared to take any setups that I like, because this was perfect. Like boom, pretty big candle down, uh, a doji right here, and pretty good candle up. As like take off of the inverse, and beautiful entry, beautiful take profit. Break even was right here. It was just a beautiful trade, man. And yeah, I won like $200 on this trade, $240, right here, $231, and yeah. So that was the break even week for me. Hope y'all love this video. Hope you stick to the end, and I'm gonna after this video I'm gonna record another one of my strategy. I mean the strategy that I use, because it's not really my strategy. So yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. Thank you very much, and I see you on the next one.